Natalie Estates Phase 2 now open. The Ginny floor plan by D&F Home Builders Incorporated, a split bedroom plan and is one of many floor plans offered in Natalie Estates. Features include 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, dining room or office, breakfast room, fireplace and living room, iron spindled staircase. Kitchen includes stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. Master bedroom features a walk-in closet, master bath with double bowl vanity and walk-in shower. Front yard sodded, back and side yard seated. Full unfinished basement with bathroom rough-in and egress window. Photos and virtual tours are sample photos only. Visit the D&F Home Builders display home at 445 Hayden Dining Room, Waterloo, Illinois. Open Thursdays through Mondays 12 to 4. Agent related to seller. This home is not built but could be built.